Hey again, let me talk in this video about override concept. So override means you inherit a specific method, but you want to override it. You don't want to do same process. For example, if you remember multi operations, he inherit division and he inherit sum from the operation. But think about if the multi operation, he doesn't want to do sum of two number. He want to do sum of two number and multiply them by 2. So he have to take this method and he have to implement his own method. Okay, that's mean if you see, and let's suppose he take two numbers and he multiply them by 2, which this mean override, because he already inherits some operation, and here he override, he will replace it. Now if you run it, you will see he will use for multiplication. Let me just do it here as a sum, and here is as a div, okay, to make you see what's going on. So if you see in multiplication, he used this multiplication, first one by second one. When you do sum, he do sum of the two number 1 plus 3, then he multiply them by 2, which make them 8. Then in division, he call that one. If you see in some operation, he called this one, he did not call this one, because he override it, and this is override concept in the class. That mean, hey, okay, even I inherit this one, but I don't want to do same content. I want to do different content. So I want to override that content, and that is. But in some cases, you say, okay, what if I want to call the parent? I want to call this one here. You could do it. So you could do it in this way. You could do, instead of do this process, you say, hey, from the super, that means super means the parent class, please call the division, which is the summation with the number 1 and number 2. So what do you mean by this one? You mean, hey, I'm taking first number and second number. I pass them to the parent one to do the process for me. So whenever you see word super, that means, hey, I need the parent. Who is my parent here? This one, which is this mean. Then he calls some operation in the parent. When you see word self, that means I am. So if you run it now, you would see he will use the normal sum by summation of the two number. And this is what I want to share with you in this video about the difference between override and self and whatever. Here we're done, and thank you for watching, and see you next.